Steve, you run a private equity fund and are excited about the opportunities here.
TerraCap Partners is a distressed, opportunistic private equity real estate fund.
What's the story right now in residential real estate? Is this the time?
What we're seeing now is historic opportunities that we haven't seen since the savings and loan crisis back in the early 90s.
I think it's more affordable right now to own versus rent, and I don't think these opportunities are going to last long.
When you take a house that was $300,000, you can buy it for $200,000. You saved $100,000. That's more attractive than an $8,000 credit.
For all-time low production, 1/3 of normal required production to support our population growth. In 2011 and 2012, we're going to see a dramatic spike in new construction.
The month-over-month stuff doesn't mean that much to me as an investor. What means a lot to me is where's the appreciation upride potential, and then it becomes an issue of timing that cycle, buying and selling during the upcycle, and then what area has retained the most.
Florida will take twofold any other domestic migration inflows, next closest Texas, then Arizona. Now, within Florida, as we know, the growth coast is Tampa south to Naples, where TerraCap has an office.
I feel that in the state of Florida alone, we're looking at probably 25 banks that will fail in the next year to year and a half. A lot of them are trying to offset earnings by investing in mortgage-backed securities, and we all know what happened there. These community banks are living off of their past profits. They need to move more money from their past profits into their loan loss reserves for those exposed assets.
The banks are going to first look for principal paydowns, cross-collateralization. The next thing they're going to say is, should we extend the maturities, or they take the write-downs. And in some cases, it could be sold at as low as 18, 20 cents on the dollar, as TerraCap has bought in the past.
Various investment strategies are being validated. The timing is being validated. It's a very good time to broaden your investment portfolio and take a serious look at real, tangible assets in areas that are attractive and that have also reached really good affordability.
But in private equity, the opportunities, I would say, are much greater, especially if you look at a certain swath of the market between $2 and $20 million.
On our first fund, we focused on residential. We felt the right time to buy residential was between 2009 and 2011. We focus on the secondary markets because the big players are bidding up all the prices in the primary markets.
Other places like Tampa, Orlando, the Fort Myers area, Miami, all of them are beginning to rebound, but there's still a lot of assets owned by banks that can be had for very low prices.
We bought it at $41 a square foot, or $41,000 a unit. Previous highs were selling at $220,000 a unit.
Wow. My goodness.
It's a nice holiday gift for our TerraCap investors.
Right.